On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the dodge tool on Photoshop. So this dodge tool is a very simple tool, and this is it, and the shortcut for it is O. So wherever you are, if you just press O on your keyboard, it's gonna bring you down to the dodge tool. Coming right up here to range, you see highlight, you see shadows, and you see mid-tones. So meaning that when you want to just edit the shadows, you come and click on shadows and you apply it on your this thing. You see what we'll be doing. When you want mid-tones, you come and click on it and you apply on it, and you see what we'll be doing. When you have highlights, click and apply. So most of the time, if your picture is not good, you have to touch on it and look at what you really want to do. So we have the exposure tool. The exposure means that how exposed do you want your image to be. As you can see, as I'm clicking on it, you can see the effects. If you reduce it and you click on it, you see the effects. So everything has its effects. The important tool on this thing is the protect tones. So if you click on the, always make sure that you click this protect tones. If it's on click, always make sure you click it so that it protect the tone of your face no matter whatever you are doing. So lastly, I would like to show you something very technical. I guess we know how to increase our brush. It's to left click, then you either increase or decrease it as it suits you, and depends on what you want to do. Okay, another thing which I will want to do is, if you go to our layers, I'll copy our layer and I will go to convert to smart object. You discover that when you convert to smart object, it will always bring you maybe a pop like this. So you say this object must be rasterized before proceeding. Edit contents will not be available. Rasterize this smart object. Most of the time, this message always pop up even when you want to crop a picture or all those things. So the best thing to always do is just click on OK. Then you do whatever you want to do on the picture. When you are done, right, make sure that you go back to the picture. Then you click on convert to smart object back. By doing this, your picture or quality will still be preserved. So that is it for today's tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.